In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed PDF in WordPress website using Elementor Page Builder and PDF Viewer add-on. By the end, you'll know how to place a PDF on your page, adjust its alignment, duplicate it if needed, save your changes, and check the result on your live site. First, open your WordPress dashboard and head into the site editor for your homepage, or the template where you want the PDF to appear. Once you're in the editor, click into the exact spot on the page where the PDF should go so your cursor is ready. Now add a new block. Start typing to bring up the block search and search for Embed. Select the Embed block from the results. The Embed block gives you a simple field where you can place your PDF link or the shortcode provided by your PDF Viewer add-on. If you're using a Viewer add-on, its shortcode will render a more polished, scrollable viewer. Otherwise, a direct PDF URL can display in the browser's native viewer. Make sure your PDF is publicly accessible so it can load on the front end. With the embed selected, look at the block toolbar. Use the alignment controls to position your PDF the way you want. Click Align Center to keep it neatly centered within your content. If your layout calls for it, try Align Right to float the viewer to the right side of the content area. You can switch between these alignments until it looks just right, and then bring it back to center if that's your preferred layout. Open the Block's More Options menu to manage the block quickly. Choose Duplicate if you'd like to reuse the same PDF embed elsewhere on the page for a different section or layout test. If you duplicated by mistake or want to move the content, use Cut to remove it from the current location and paste it where you actually want it to appear. This keeps your page clean and avoids accidentally leaving extra blocks behind. When everything is positioned and looking good, click Save in the editor to publish your changes. Give it a second to process, and then click View Site to preview the live page. Scroll to the section where you place the embed and confirm the PDF loads, scrolls, and aligns as expected. Quick tip: if the PDF doesn't display, double-check the link or shortcode, ensure the file permissions are public, and verify that any cache is cleared. If you prefer working in Elementor, the process is similar. Drag in your PDF viewer widget